So I'm going to make a video demonstrating the Samsung Smart Switch feature. I have a Galaxy Note 5 and a new Galaxy Note 7, and so I'm going to be transferring the stuff that I have from the Note 5 over to the Note 7. Okay, so I have completed the transfer. I used the USB cable, and so if I scroll through both devices, this is the new one, that's the old one, you can see that it pretty much captured the way I had things laid out. There's some little pieces here missing here and there, but it looks like it pretty much captured the way I had things laid out. So that doesn't mean I'm still going to have some setup time. You know, obviously I'm still going to have some setup time available. I'm going to have to log back into many of the applications, kind of straighten things out. There's going to be a number of things to kind of straighten out and sort of move in to the new phone, as well as I have to contact Sprint and do the transfer of the phone number, my phone number, from the old device to the new one. So that wraps up the demonstration of the Samsung Smart Switch application.